travelers. Welcome to the Whispering Woods.
We're so glad you're here.
Yes, quite. Do enjoy the scenery.
The color crystals are gone, young ones. Without them, the grey will consume us all.
We understand. We will find them.
I think I found a clue. Is it another spark clue? Is it another sparkly one?
We need the crystals for the alignment ceremony. They guide the waterways.
Oh, we understand. Here you are. The sunshine crystal.
Oh, no!
We just use it to warm our honey.
Plant these seeds with love, and remember that sharing their beauty makes the world better for everyone.